First word. Immediately. Immediately means tatkal. Let's see one example. Complete this task immediately. इस कार्य को तत्काल पूरा करें. Second word. Just. Just means केवल. Let's see one example. Just do this now. अब केवल यह करो. Third word. Whistle. Whistle means सीटी. Let's see one example. Whistle on my count. मेरी गिनती पर सीटी बजाओ. Fourth word. Separate. Separate means alag. Let's see one example. We are separate from each other. हम एक दूसरे से अलग हैं. Fifth word. Supply. Supply means आपूर्ति. Let's see one example. Shopkeeper has less supply. दुकानदार के पास आपूर्ति कम है. To be updated, hit subscribe button and press bell icon.